Army Knife, how are you? Hey, if you like my videos, subscribe down below. You'll get a whole bunch of different things that you'll see when you do subscribe that are helpful in life. Today I'm going to discuss the Alturi Grill and made by Summerset, which is just an awesome grill. I have it. It's in my backyard, so that's why I'm going to review this. I work with Summerset, and what sometimes happens is somebody will try to replace the light in here, and when they do, or the glass, they're a little bit too hard on the screw, and what really needs to be done is you need to put penetrating oil in there to begin with to have it loosen up, and then you undo it. Sometimes it will break, so what I'm here to show you is an easy way to fix this. Now, I've been through every iteration of trying to drill a hole, just, you know, taking the try to take the broken screw out. Nothing. With that tempered steel, the average customer is going to have a real hard time of it. So I'm really here to help the do-it-yourselfer and maybe the installer to be a hero for this. So here we go. I'm going to turn you back and show you something. You see this? This is basically a wire tie. This is something that you would see in any kind of packaging, wrapping around an adapter, any type of wiring thing that you get. Just grab one of these. This is a little bit heavier duty than most. Some of them are flat, they've got fins on them. Basically, you just take and strip off the edges of this. You got to have it straight, and you can strip it a piece at a time until all the metal's off. So you can see what I'm doing. Okay, see, all the metal's off. And I'm going to go for a little bit more so I have a little bit more to work with. All right, then I'm going to, at about, this is about 6 or 7 inches, at about that, I'm going to cut it off. And then we're going to turn to the light and look for, maybe this might be considered a hack, but I'll tell you, you're going to have to get in here and replace your light bulb again, so you don't want to have it be trouble. So what you do is you let your light hang there, and if you feel inside, you still have the screw stuck in there. Now mine has the head, so this is going to be a little bit different. Most have the head broken off in there, so it isn't the same right now, but it's still showing you that there's the thread sticking out through the top. And what we're going to do is bend this a little bit, like so, to shape of the screw head, the screw itself. I'm going to flatten it out a little bit, something like that. I mean, you're just going to have to test with it. Then we're going to reach inside and get that to wrap around that screw end. And then we're going to take the wire, just like you would in anything, and twist it. Okay, so it's nice and tight. And sometimes you may want to just wrap it a few other times inside to make sure that you got this tight. So the ideal way to do this, and again, this is an experiment. I've done this 3 times. So the ideal way to do this is to make sure that you have enough of the wire sticking out both ways. So again, I'm going to come back and do this again, and I'm going to make this little end smaller. And this is a very stiff piece of wire. You may get wire ties. You're not going to get this type of wire tie very often. I got this off a 200-foot extension cord at Home Depot. But the idea is to make sure that your wraps, two or three wraps is fine. Then, when you're done, you slide your light back up in there. And you're going to stick one of these wires through the hole where the screw used to be on the light itself. And just get the light so it'll go up in there. Once it's up in there, You're going to pull tight on everything, and you're going to do like 1, maybe 2 wraps, and that's it. You're done. Now you can either cut that off, or you can bring it around the back so it doesn't show. And you're done. And it's going to be there for the next time you work on it. And the next time you place light, it's up. It's down a little bit right here because the screw head's there. So when the screw head's missing, the next time when you're doing this, it'll get up flush with it. So that's it. Swiss Army knife. This is Eric. If you like my stuff, subscribe down below. Thank you.